didn't pick up the camera too much, but the car is ready for primer. Ruben laid down a little bit of green primer from the can just so that it looks OEM, because Nissan had these green, and whatever oversprays onto them will look fine. So Ruben's bringing in the compressor, get it all hooked up and get it all ready for primer. So the engine bay color we picked was silver. It's called Just Silver. It should look pretty good with the color of the car. Not too many people do just silver engine bays, and I think it'll look good. Base fully primered. We're just finished priming it. We have a few leaks. There's one right there. We have one on the bottom, like right there. And then we have one right there. Honestly, nothing that like 600 grit can't fix. So Ruben went to Harbor Freight and he's gonna get 600 grit and a new adapter for the compressor hose because it's leaking. Before I go, this is the subframe Ruben fixed. It looks pretty damn good. Literally wild. I still can't believe that it came out this clean. Engine bay is gonna look super cool, and I'm super pumped with it.
Normally I wouldn't care. I wouldn't, and I still kind of. The only reason I care is because Dave's gonna come with us and shot it too close. Or didn't prep. No, it didn't prep the surface. You gotta realize, I never touched this freaking air.
What do you think about this single stage?
Dude, it's freaking sick.
Dude, honestly, I couldn't have asked for a better result. Look at this. Yeah, try to get that, guys. With all seriousness, single stage, I guess Ruben just doesn't like it. It's just not a personal preference. But instead of making this a negative experience, instead of making this a negative experience, I'm gonna FaceTime Yev, show him, get some laughs from how he reacts to this.
Yo, what's up, man?
Yo, guess what happened to the paint?
What's up? What happened?
No, just take a wild guess. Tell me what you think happened to the paint.
Thinking it probably looks like crocodile skin.
Yo, you ready for this?
Let me see.
Hold up. Alright, the reveal. Yo, 3, 2, 1.
What's going on? Oh no! The dish died. No, that sucks. Yo, get a hose and start washing it off while it's still wet. Get a sponge and start dabbing it.
Freaking single stage, Yev. I thought this would be the time that I never get issues with single stage.
You didn't tell me it was single stage.
Dude, that's literally what happened to me. Mark, he already had our card and stuff. He was like putting it in the computer. I'm like, and I read on the thing. I'm like, this is single stage. He's like, yeah. I'm like, okay. It's definitely supposed to be base coat, but
Dude.
Kill me now, dog. I'm not repainting this. Hell to the motherfucking no. Once everything is in here crowded, it'll look decent.
Are you sure?
Yeah, OEM intake, battery, coolant overflow, power steering reservoir, and that's about
Looks
it.
like garbage.
Just wait till you paint your engine bay, fool.
Yo, I got an idea.
What's up?
Hey, you know a wedding dress material, lacing?
Screw you.
Yo,
Bro, just let it dry.
Freaking.
Let it dry and lace it.
I told Rubin, yo. Fudge, bro, look at this. It just keeps, it keeps dripping. See, the thing is, if it was drying.
Move your ugly ears.
Dude, you want me to come over and give you a hug?
Yo, what are we doing? What are we doing?
It's a painting effect.
Dude,
It's a painting. Yo, I have no idea. Yo, I have no idea what you're trying to do.
If it's professionally done, it looks gangster as shit. But this is because we fucked up.
Yo, if it's, hey, hold up. If it's professionally done.
Alright, move,
But
fool.
you guys are wasting your time. Because
We have nothing to lose. Yeah, we have nothing to lose. Yo, go, Rubin. You know what?
This guy's gonna be sick. I feel like Jeff's saying that, but it will. You'll see.
You wanna lose your job? I'm gonna pull you motherfucker out of the case.
What are we doing?
Where's my
This will be
business?
sick. You'll see.
Where's my business? Where's my business?
Hey, we can fuck little mama, I can lip lock. She spend 100 on some new shit. Put her by the crib, by the top. I can love a bitch, you color. Never red brick, to a good spot. She ain't the pilot on my flip floor, you know relaxing. Put on the bag, get the cash in. Need it in my dripping orange face.
So, Ruben messed up. He sprayed some single stage and it reacted. We don't know why. So, I told him to dab it. He dabbed it, and we were gonna spray it like Ruben's, Sylvia engine bay color, which if you guys don't know is it's like a goldish green. It's kind of ugly. But Mark insisted that he wants a different color, so I whipped some paint really quick.
Should we throw a little bit?
Yeah.
Yeah, throw a little bit of that. Yo.
It's just a science.
All right, yeah. Finish explaining this. Oh, holy crap! That's not a little bit, bro. That's a lot.
I know, that's fine. That's gonna be sick as shit, dude.
So what we're doing is we mixed some clear coat.
Hey,
We sprayed some of this candy on it.
This is uncolored.
Chinese pearl red. Some gold. I had some gold laying around.
Yeah, I
And
don't
then
know.
some chameleon.
That's pretty sick still, though. Oh, yeah, that's pretty sick.
How you got it, check it, when broken in. Bitch, you wanna cloud and I ain't kissing
Yo,
her.
lick your lips,
Since I
lick your
first
lips.
got them
Hold on,
hundreds, I've been
hold on.
flipping
Lick
up.
your
I
lips,
flip
lick
the
your
money,
lips.
got my
Nah,
check
just-
up. I'm flexing up, but on the wrestler. Blue cheese pockets got the extras. I stack the money up like
Is
Tetris.
it alright if I steal your thunder?
How I got 250 from my deck. How I made it from the hood to a big truck. Bitches wanna fuck, I got them lined up.
Yeah.
This is the day after we sprayed out ugly red. So we used single stage paint and it reacted. I ruined the engine bay. Yeah, I came up with an idea to do a marble effect, which turned out looking like complete dog shit. It looks really good now. Day after, me and Ruben came in, sanded it for like 2 to 3 hours. And then Ruben painted this color, which I honestly don't even know what it is. It's like a deep charcoal with a hint of blue. But Ruben mixed this up himself with 3 different colors. So champagne, dark blue, and black. And this is what it made. So this 2-stage paint, base coat, clear. But damn, it looks really, really good. I am pumped with this. I have to get it like right here.
Some on the firewall. There's one on the frame.
The last 2 days have been a trip. Lots happened, but I'm really happy with how the outcome came out. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.